as emergency. Sabi ko pa, hindi pableto. Wala sa kapuso. Ay, panalo. Bumili ito sa mga products ng Padalagan. For the chance to win 1 million pesos at grand draw. Atin sa inyo ng Ajinomoto, Mami Seasoning, Ladies Choice, Vita Keratin, Surf, at Fair Brand 45,000 milk. Dahil na! Posters and print ads for details, promo runs from April 27 to July 5, 2024 for DOH FDA CFR permit number 0486 series of 2024. But for more symptoms, it might be flu. Makaplo na, lagat at sore throat mo. Makaplo na, body pain, sipon, mo. From most nasal drip to or more symptoms, nakaplo na yan. Kaya, makaplo na! Hindi lang yan. NLEX HCl, chlorphenamine, maleate, paracetamol, in the generic name of BioFlu. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor. Pinalawak na dialysis package. Outpatient mental health. Higit dobleng aumento sa high-risk stroke benefits. 30% increase sa health benefit packages. Ilan lang ito sa mga nasimulan na natin. Tuloy-tuloy na po ang pagbuti ng ating benepisyo. Ang layunin natin pinalawak at mga bagong benepisyo para sa mamamayang Pilipino. Abot kamay na ng lahat. Tumawag sa 8662-2588 para sa detalye.
Naamoy mo ba yun?
Baka naaamoy ka na rin ng katabi mo.
Baka as emergency na yan. Check yourself and use Rexona after every bath. Ang #1 deo lotion ng bayan. Say no to as emergency.
Aray! 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 Manny Pacquiao po, sa araw-araw na laban, kahit maliit na aray, pag binaliwala, baka di ka na makasabay. Alaksan de Paradad. Diretso sa pinagmulan ng sakit ng katawan. Sa maliit o malaking aray, Alaksan de Paradad. Hindi lang yan. Ibuprofen paracetamol is the generic name of Alaksan FR. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Ramdam niyo ba ang papalit-palit na timplada ng panahon? Sa umaga, napakainit. As pagdating po ng gabi hanggang madaling araw, malamig naman. Andiyan na po ang amihan. Delikado pagkaganyan. Yan ang gustong-gustong timplada ng panahon ng virus. Bantayan ang ating katawan, mag-ingat. Pag may nararamdaman, kailangan pakinggan ng katawan at huwag po itong babaliwalain. Unahan natin ang sakit, magpakonsulta sa doktor. Makinig po sa katawan, makinig po sa doktor kapag may gamot na inireseta po sa inyo, sundin at inumin. Tandaan, para sa ating kalidad, abot kayang gamot. Huwag po kayo mahiya magtanong, hanapin po ang check po ng RightMed. Para sa listahan ng mga RightMed products, bisitahin ang kanilang Facebook page o website, www.rightmed.com.ph. Huwag din pong kakalimutan, if symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Choose the water that helps give the right hydration and the right minerals with proper diet and exercise. Choose the drinking water of choice by top Filipino athletes, Heidelin, Asian, and Filipinas. Choose to be great with Summit Natural Drinking Water. Thirst for more. Summit Natural Drinking Water. Thirst for more. Talukha ng talukha ang suliraning kinakaharap ng ating planeta. Sinyalis na nalalagda ang kanyang pagdating. Ang paisip ay pumupunta. Galing sa lahat ng tao ng mabait at pinaparusahan ang lahat ng mga suwali. Jeremiah 10:18. Repent, repent, turn to Jesus today. He is the only way to heaven. Brought to you by MX3.
Mag-MX3 araw-araw para MX Extraordinary.
Number 1 sa Mega Manila. Double wave sa double beat.
Yun o, diba? Pag narinig nyo na yan, alam nyo na ibig sabihin. Bye-bye tayo para sa double wave sa double beat. At double wave sa double beat.
naganap ang Miss Universe Philippines, ang dami mga forecasts, ang dami mga forecasters, top 10, top 5. They didn't see you.
Yes.
The forecasters didn't mention Bulacan. Habang nangyayari yun, ano pakiramdam?
Well, for me, Tito Boy, I say that there's a lot of girls there na sobrang strong and competitive. So in my head, I told myself that if I'm going to perform and go out of the stage, I will just give my all. Don't know kung sino yung pwedeng makauwi ng
Pero
crown.
hindi sumamalo mo na parang, bakit hindi ako nakikita?
Well,
You know, I'm gonna prove you wrong. You always say that. Trust me, I'm gonna prove you wrong. Pero hindi ka ba naapektuhan kahit konti?
there's a little bit, of course. I want people to really see what I want to perform there. You know, as a woman of color, I hope I am giving so much influence to them. But because there are a lot of girls who are very deserving, I've never been into the, what they call front runners.
Correct. Okay, let's talk about that. Nais namin malaman kung ano ang pananaw mo, your opinion about the front runners. Ako, what do you think about
I
it?
love-
What did you think about it?
I love Ate Victoria. I think she's so strong. She's very consistent to what she puts out there. I think she has such a beautiful signature as well.
Sino yung pinakamatinding kalaban na iniisip mo?
Well, wala.
You know where I'm coming
Yeah.
from? I remember the story of Janine Tugonon.
Yes.
Nung dumating siya sa Miss Universe sa Las Vegas, sabi ng kanyang mami, ng nanay niya, anak, ang makakalaban mo siya, referring to Olivia Pulpo. Ito dito sa contest na ito, meron ka bang nakita na kung may nananalo, ito yung babantayan ko?
I think si Ate Christy McGarry, she's so strong.
She's real.
Yes.
She's very strong.
She's very strong. She's very consistent and at the same time, and she's so beautiful.
Okay.
So, I mean, of course, I came in there. I thought that, you know, everyone will be there as my competitor. But again, I felt like ako yung magiging biggest competitor ko. Kasi if I'm not going to believe in myself, then how would I perform well?
I get that. Sinasabi mo yan na ang aking kompetisyon ay natakot ka kayo.
Well, I wouldn't say na natakot ako sa
What
kanya.
would you say kung hindi natakot?
Because she's my best friend. Yes. She's one of those girls that I have always been with through the competition. Many people might say na, alam mo, may mga competitors kami behind the scenes, but it's never like that. All of us girls are so close to one another, and I hope people can see that behind the scenes.
The sisterhood, we understand that. But again, it's a sisterhood, but it is a competition. It's a healthy competition. And it's a good competition. Hindi ka natakot. I'll put it this way. Kinabahan ka ba kay Quezon Province, kay Atisa?
I love Atisa also. There's really no nervousness that I felt with other girls. And Atisa, she's so beautiful. I think that she has a really beautiful support system as well.
Okay.
So that is one of her biggest strengths.
Value.
Tara, I love Tara. She's the baby girl that we love. You know, she is young, but at the age of right now, what she is right now, she has gone a long way for her to be in the Miss Universe Philippines.
What about Zambales?
Zambales, I love her waist. Grabe yung waist niya talaga. Whenever I see her, yung waist niya talaga sobrang sexy nito, boy. Parang hindi ko alam paano ko ma-achieve yung ganun.
Okay, Kainta.
Kainta, Ate Stacy, she is just like an ate to me. Every time we're behind the stage, she would talk, she would laugh. So, the sisterhood was really strong talaga.
Oh, Chelsea, ang dami, there were about over 20 special awards. Isa ang napunta sa'yo, Miss Jojo Bragayes. Okay, while the awarding was happening, what was playing in your mind? Was it like, ano ba to? Ba't wala ako? It's normal in a competition. You know what I'm saying? Okay.
Sa akin po kasi nung nag-awarding na, hindi ko alam, pero kinakabahan din ako. Kasi ito na yung moment where people would really see you where your light will shine. Kasi ako nung tinatawag na nila yung award, sabi ko, ba't parang ako wala akong award? When I know I'm doing my best. Pero dahil sabi ko, I came in here, I know that I'm looking and eyeing for the crown. I may not have an award, but I'm going to give my best because I am looking only at the crown.
Eyes on the prize.
Eyes on the prize.
Okay. And then during the contest, did you feel that you had less exposure than the other girls?
I wouldn't say so, Tito Boy, kasi lahat naman kami nabigyan ng with them. So there was no naman na everyone was in the shadows.
Sa content, no? You have to edit the noise. Dapat mamimili ka kung anong pakikinggan mo. Ano ba ang totoo, Chelsea? Did you quit? Or were you at the verge of quitting? What is the story?
I was at the verge of quitting na po.
Dahil?
Dahil we have to face it, Tito Boy, medyo matagal yung competition this time. Inabot siya ng 4 months. So, dahil ako po, I came in here as an independent. Wala akong resources. I didn't have...
Pera. In other words.
Financial. So, dadating talaga sa point na mauubos ka. And I was almost there to quit. But because of the people who supported me...
Gaano ka gastos? Magastos talaga yung pagsali? Why? Because you have to pay for your gown? Ano ang mga expenses?
Magastos siya kasi ako, I come back and forth to Bulacan.
Oh.
So, siguro yung transportation, the dress, the makeup, everything, you have to provide it on your own.
Didn't you have a team? Didn't you have a glam team?
I had when, actually sila yung mga nag-support sa akin when I almost gave up. They were there to support